It's time for Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather, sponsored by Scooters Coffee and Rescue Towing. Here's your host, meteorologist Abby Dyer.
Good morning, everyone, and welcome to your Tuesday, the last day of the month of April. Hard to believe, and it's going to be a fantastic spring-like day in the Ozarks. I think we stay rain-free during the daylight hours today, and we're starting off fairly mild. As of 5 a.m., temperatures are sitting in the low to mid 50s, and I've got high temps today that warm to the 80s. We've got a south breeze in the forecast today as well. It might get a little bit windy or breezy, I'll say, as we head through the course of the afternoon. But overall, I'm talking about fantastic weather conditions across the region today. We are really going to be seeing some nice weather. So enjoy if you can. If you got to get the grass cut, it's probably dried out enough after that warm day that we had yesterday. That helped to get rid of some of the moisture in the ground. I know there are still some areas with mud, maybe a bit of residual flooding from all the rain that came through over the weekend, but I think today's a pretty good choice for outdoor activities and outdoor yard work. So get it done while you can. Rain chances, they return overnight tonight. Now, it's not going to be this huge widespread chance of rain. I don't even have much in the way of thunderstorm activity. Rumbles of thunder can't be ruled out, but I think for the most part, this is just a slow, steady rain. It's not a lot, I think less than a quarter of an inch in the rain gauge. But overall, we're still talking about a very active pattern as we head into this work week's forecast. So, with the rain in the forecast, I know there are places that were totally waterlogged over the weekend. It will be something that we want to watch out for as the week goes on again. I think some of the flooding that we saw could reoccur as we add to with more thunderstorms on the way. Today, though, we'll focus on the good news. A fantastic afternoon on tap. Sunshine, south wind, highs in the low 80s, and beautiful weather. We will have some unsettled weather today up to the north and the northern plains. In fact, that's where the severe weather threat will be focused today. Overnight, I think what we see in the Ozarks is just a chance for rain. And it looks a little bit better in some of our northern counties. Cloud cover will start to increase this evening, setting the stage for some rain showers that occur overnight tonight. But really, I think even Wednesday is a mostly dry day across the region. By the time we get to late in the week, we're talking the Thursday, Friday timeframe, that's when we will start to see the thunderstorm chances return. Wednesday is still a very warm day in the Ozarks. We're talking mid 80s in the forecast as we head into tomorrow. So very warm. The breeze picks up as well. I have 85 for the high temperature tomorrow. Today we're in the low 80s. So we have a lot of energy and we still have some moisture around. That's going to increase the rain chance for the second half of the work week. And I've got that active pattern, a chance for rain tonight and then active weather again Thursday night. And that's going to last all the way through the weekend. It looks like we have multiple opportunities for showers and thunderstorms. And there could be a chance that some of those are strong. I think we have to watch Thursday night for the potential for some strong to severe weather. And I'm keeping a close eye on the weekend as well. High temperature today, though, how about 81 degrees for Springfield? Beautiful weather, mostly sunny. Grab the shades if you're just heading out the door right now. No jacket required, even though we're in the 50s this morning. I think tomorrow we're in the mid 80s, 85 degrees. And then by Thursday, we start to see the thunderstorm chances move back in because of the rain and clouds. I think that will limit our high temperatures for the day. And then highs fall back into the mid 70s as we move into Friday. And it looks like the rain chance will continue then. Around the country, weather pretty active across the region. Severe weather, again, a threat as we head into the northern and central plains. That's going to be for tomorrow's round of strong to severe storms that eventually lands in the Ozarks on Thursday. We also see more high elevation snow for the Pacific Northwest and warmer than average temperatures across the southern tier of the country and the mid-Atlantic, while the Pacific Northwest and much of the western portion of the country is experiencing these kind of cold, windy conditions that are just not so nice. All right, it's time for the Around the Ozarks Wake Up Weather Brain Twister question that I have for you today. The question that I left you with yesterday. It's your knowledge about the Guinness Book of World Records for the longest board game marathon. A, 80 hours. B, 24 hours. C, 300 hours. Or D, 64 hours. Those were the options that I gave you. And if you took a guess at this one and you went 80 hours, that's correct. A, 80 hours. Can you believe that? It is the Guinness Book of World Record for the longest marathon playing a board game. It was achieved by Gus Peters, Marcel Rubrick, Sven Vanderhorst, and Max Weisenberg. Maybe you could have guessed they are all from the Netherlands. In the Netherlands in 2017, the four participants have been friends for a long time, and they played a total of 400 games of Ganzenboard. Have you ever heard of this? Apparently, the translation means game of the goose during that 80-hour board game marathon. They took the record. They submitted this for the Guinness Book of World Records, and they win. Now a long-standing record. 2017 doesn't seem like it was that long ago, but it's been out there for a long time. So if you can play a game more than 80 hours, maybe not a game of, what was it called? Ganzenborg? Game of the Goose? We could probably find a different game to play. There are a lot of long ones. I've been stuck in board games for a long, long time. Not quite 80 hours, though. I don't have that type of patience. Here's the question that I will leave you with for tomorrow. A correct answer wins you a chance to get a $20 gift card to Scooter's Coffee. Here's your chance. According to the Bureau of Labor Statistics, what is considered the most dangerous job in the United States? Do you think it is A, loggers, B, aircraft pilots, C, police officers, or D, roofers? You can enter your guess. That happens over at aroundtheozarks.com. Also, don't forget the Mother's Day giveaway that I was telling you about yesterday. Awesome prize for mom, thanks to the Flower Merchant and Civil Kitchen. And we also have a brand new contest running at aroundtheozarks.com. It is going to be tickets to Art Fest 2024. Around the Ozarks has your chance to win tickets to Art Fest, presented by Great Southern Bank and hosted by the Springfield Regional Arts Council. This happens May 4th and 5th, 2024 on historic Walnut Street in Springfield. If you haven't been, it is totally awesome. I really encourage you to go, even if you don't get the free tickets, but why not go for free? It is one of the biggest outdoor art festivals in Southwest Missouri, known for featuring over 100 artists from all over the country. There's live entertainment, there's food, and oftentimes in early May, the weather is just fantastic. So you can win tickets to Art Fest at aroundtheozarks.com. Head to the website, click on contests, and you will find out how to enter there. Thank you so much for listening early this morning, and thank you to our sponsors, Rescue Towing and Scooter's Coffee. I hope you have a fantastic day. Enjoy the delightful weather conditions. Soak up the sunshine, and we will